The Korg DW-8000 is not your typical analog synth, and it's not fully digital either. It's a hybrid instrument, combining digital oscillators with a real analog filter and amplifier. That unique design gives it a distinctive sound, blending digital precision with analog warmth. And in this video, we're bringing one of these classics back to life. When this Korg DW-8000 arrived from the customer, it was completely non-functional. All the LEDs were lit, but there was no proper sound, only distorted noise coming from the output. The first step was performing a factory reset by holding buttons 5 and 8 during power-up. This allowed the instrument to boot correctly again. Next, we replaced the original memory backup battery with a new high-quality CR2032, fitted with solder tabs for long-term reliability. Since all the factory sounds had been erased, we restored them using a SysEx data file. The transfer was done via USB using a Yamaha UX-16 MIDI interface and the Bome SendSX software. We then proceeded with a full keyboard disassembly and cleaning. The original upper fell strip had completely deteriorated, causing excessive mechanical noise when the keys returned. This was replaced with a new damping strip, significantly improving the key action. All front panel buttons were replaced to ensure reliable operation. We also repaired the audio section by replacing the broken left and right output jacks. Finally, the volume potentiometer was replaced, restoring smooth and precise control over the output level. After all these steps, the instrument is fully functional again and ready for many more years of use.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.